What's going on, everybody? This is the Green Ferry Music Channel again. We're back with another video, and I have another person here. What's going on, bro?
What's up, Eloi? I'm glad to be here, man. What's up, everybody? Maktain in the building.
Yeah, Maktain. Does Maktain speak in Kinyarwanda or?
I call busy Neza, but it's probably best we keep it in English.
We keep it in English. All right, Maktain, I got like 30 questions for you. Are you ready?
Let's go.
We do it?
Let's go. I'm ready.
All right, let's go. What's Maktain's full name?
My full name is Tepang Makgetani, and that's in South African language called Sotho. So yeah.
All right. In the language is
Sotho.
Sotho.
Yeah,
all
it's
right.
a South African language.
All right. When did Maktain come to Rwanda?
The first time I came here was back in 2014. That was the first time I came to Rwanda, and I've been here for about like 4 years now.
4 years, man. And how old were you when you wrote your first song?
How old was I? I was 14 years old when I wrote my first song, when I recorded it. I was in a group called...
Small group?
It was a small group. I actually forgot the name now. But yeah.
All right. So, who's your best friend?
Best friend? I don't think I have one best friend, man. I have like a group of best friends back in South Africa. So shout out to the boys.
Yeah. Some names?
You probably can't pronounce them, but anyway, you know, man, just a whole lot of peoples, man, back home. Yeah.
All right. Who's your celebrity crush?
I don't have a celebrity crush. I won't lie.
Not even Rihanna?
Not even Rihanna, bro. Nah.
Who's your hero?
My hero would have to be some of the political leaders back in South Africa during the apartheid who fought for us. Chris Hani, Nelson Mandela. Yeah, those people, man. They're definitely my heroes.
All right. How would you describe yourself?
I'll describe myself as a very versatile person, man. I have different personalities at different times, you know, expect the unexpected.
What's your biggest music inspiration?
As in like an artist?
Yeah.
It has to be Drake. Definitely Drake. Yeah.
Oh, you ready for the album?
Yeah, man, I'm ready for that. Scorpion,
June 29.
Yeah.
If you wasn't an artist, what else would you be doing?
I would be a lawyer. I was gonna study law back in high school. I really wanted to do law, so I think I would be a lawyer.
What's the coolest place that you ever been in?
Thailand, Bangkok.
Bangkok. You've been at Bangkok?
Yeah.
You saw like elephants or what?
Yeah, man. I was on the elephants and everything, bro. It's crazy. It's a crazy place.
All right. So let's go back to your life. When was the last time you got nervous?
When was the last time I got nervous? Some of the shows we've been doing have been really big lately. I think when I opened up for Davido, I was really nervous then.
All right. And what's your dream future? Like the dream future, the person who you dream to feature in your music?
Person I really want to feature, Jay-Z. I'd love to have a feature with Jay-Z. Jigga himself.
All right.
I love that. Yeah.
You have to deal with Beyonce first.
Nah, man, I'm not ready for Beyonce yet, you know, but Jay-Z for sure.
For sure. All right. Soccer or basketball?
Soccer. All the way. Soccer.
All right. And favorite actress?
Favorite actress would have to be Gabriella Union. Yeah, I like her. I like her a lot. Yeah.
All right. And what's your number one dating rule?
Honesty. You always gotta be honest with me, 100, all the time. Even if I don't want to hear it, tell me the truth.
Oh yeah. And what gets you really pumped in life? Like, really make you go?
Man, creativity. Just creating something new always gets me excited. It motivates me the whole time.
All right. Favorite line from anything you ever wrote?
I actually have a feature on Ice Nova's album. Make sure you get that in Kigali-licious. I have a line where I say, 6 years old, I told my mom I'd be a pastor. My dreams came true, but they be calling me a rapper. So I think that's
bar.
Definitely, you know.
Yeah. And what's your favorite song on your album?
My favorite song for now, because it changes every week. I think JC LaRue for now is one of my favorites.
And who's somebody like you really want to meet him or her really bad, but you never had a chance to?
Man, I don't know who I'd want to meet right now, but I'll say like in terms of an artist, maybe I would say like a Drake. I would definitely want to meet him.
Drake. What's the craziest rumor that you ever heard about yourself?
Someone started a rumor that I dropped out of school to do music. I don't know who said that, but that's what people been saying.
And if you can have like a superpower, what would it be?
Reading people's thoughts. Definitely want to have that. Being like telepathic. Yeah, I love that.
All right. And what's the most important thing that's missing in the world right now, like in your eyes?
Unity, especially in Africa, man, because all the oppression we're facing, Africa needs to unite now more than ever,
Yeah. Favorite music producer?
Favorite music producer, it have to be OVO 40.
OVO 40?
OVO 40, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
Favorite team in the World Cup right now?
Portugal all the way.
Cristiano Ronaldo?
See Ronaldo, man, he's going ham right now. He's going ham right now.
Casper or AKA?
AKA.
AKA?
For lyrics, because he has more lyrical content. I'll say AKA.
Alright. So thank you, Maktain. So what's the last thing like you can say about the music industry, the African music industry, everything that you want to share to the people?
Man, we gotta grow as an industry right here in Rwanda, and for the upcoming artists, we gotta work hard. We gotta build our own platforms, because honestly, I'm annoyed with some of you Rwandan people right now. Some of the presenters and media people. How you gonna have a radio presenter who's an artist who sends his own music on the radio station? Like, he has a hit on his own radio station and he's a presenter. That makes no sense to me at all.
Are you calling out on someone?
I'm not calling out people in particular, but we know who those people are. The people like the Uncle Austins, like the Paxsons, all these guys. How you gonna promote your own music on your own platforms, and you're not promoting anyone else the way you're promoting yourself? That needs to stop. But we don't need those people. We have to create our own platforms. The youth can do it. The new artists are gonna do it, and that's what we're gonna do right here in Green Ferry Music. So man, shout out to everybody doing their own thing.
So you think like the new artist doesn't get enough spot in this industry?
Yeah, they don't, man. In hip hop, there's something we call the cosign.
Yeah.
That's when a bigger artist, he puts his arm around you and he says, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna take you to my shows. I'm gonna show you the people you need to meet. I'm gonna help you out wherever I can. I haven't seen that in Rwanda at all. I haven't seen it at all,
So you think like it can really change?
I think it needs to change. I think we need to start co-signing each other, man. Like, if I think back to my beginning, Prime was bigger than all of us in Green Ferry, but he gave us the co-sign. And I always respect him for that, and we need more artists doing that.
Thank you, bro. Remember to subscribe on Green Ferry Music channel. My name is Eloi. We are here, man.
Green Ferry Music.